Today I'm heading over to check out the launch of the Samsung Z Fold8 series. So we have heard rumors of a wide fold, just like the Apple One before the Apple One arrives. And then once we saw that, we also saw leaks and renders from Samsung. So that might be what we're about to see. Of course, you're gonna get your Z Fold8, Z Flip8, but let's see what else they have in store. So today we're taking a look at the new Z Fold series, so coming out of Samsung. This time it's going to be the Z Fold8, Z Fold8 Ultra, as well as, of course, the Z Flip8. So what we typically know as the Fold series, this is the what Samsung now calls the Z Fold8 Ultra. This is, as with all the new generations, this is their lightest and thinnest fold yet. In the hands, it feels pretty much like your typical fold. They were talking about some of the features like dual side-by-side screen multitasking, which of course we see a lot in the Chinese phones, as well as up to triple screen multitasking on these foldable phones. But what of course everybody wants to know is this is the new Z Fold8. This is a wider 4:3 format, so this would be more native to things like watching videos, reading, and they say reading ebooks, articles. This kind of scrolling would fit better. So how does this compare? If we open up something like this, if you want to look at it to watch your YouTube videos, even when unfolded, your Z Fold8 is slightly wider than your Z Fold8 Ultra. So it would make your video viewing a little bit more native feeling. But in the hands, how does it feel? It kind of feels like an MP3 player. It's a little bit different, but as with new innovations, when Samsung came up with the first generation Fold Flip, things felt very, very weird. And today, they are kind of one of the pioneers of the brand and this kind of technology. So I think give it some time, it'll start to feel a little bit more natural. The Z Fold Ultra features Samsung's strongest processor, so they're using Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and then I assume a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. It uses their Pro Visual Engine for improved nightography and night videography, and on both the main camera as well as the ultra wide, you can do 8K video recording. It also features APV codec as well as Cine Alert, and in terms of battery, this goes up to 5000 milliamp hours, 45 watts wired and 20 watts wireless. Samsung says the display is powered by the latest Flex titanium, so it uses titanium alloy film to support the OLED panel, as well as a titanium plate underneath, and it goes up to 3000 nits of brightness. One of the key features is also a Gemini notebook, so using Gemini's AI to help with things like multitasking. When you click on links, it goes into your notebooks, and I assume photos, text can all use AI assistants to help you sort them into different categories, things like that. Now with the Z Fold8, this also uses a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. For a size difference of this, from going from 5000 milliamp hours down to 4800 milliamp hours on the Z Fold8. This also takes 45 watts wired and 20 watts wireless charging. It has a 7.6-inch display and has that 4:3 or 3:4 format. So they liken it to things like ebooks, TVs, watching videos in a more native feeling. It has also two cameras on the back, 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and features dual recording, which is a little bit like, I think they called it the stage mode or showcase mode, where you could use two videos recording at the same time, but with 50 megapixels, you're gonna get a lot more real estate inside that video. They also talk about My Fan Cam, which is one of the features inside here where basically the chip inside allows you to use AI to track certain people. So if there's a group of people dancing inside the video, with this new feature, you're able to track and crop that into a 9:16 vertical video without going into some external software. And that also, they mentioned, is available for videos being imported into the Z Fold8. So among these two phones, there is of course also the Z Flip8. Currently, I don't have that with me, but it is 6.1 millimeters thin, 180 grams. Also has a 50 megapixel camera. Very interestingly, they've put horizontal lock into camera like the Z Flip8. And then you also get new features like an upgraded Now Breathe, as well as a flex window home, and then using Gemini to do tasks within your phone while the phone is closed and locked. So I think that's something interesting to try out. Another one of the things that they did mention, an improved hinge with the magnets, so it does snap a little bit differently compared to the Z Fold8.
Y'all heard about our improved camera, right? You know, 50 megapixel is on. I will put this 50 meg on this and the selfie, the cover screen. So y'all have never seen a cover screen like this before, right? I'm going to squeeze all 16 of us. Okay, everyone say hello. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and great. Cancel this. No. Okay, wait. One more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. You heard the click. Okay, now just take a look at this. This is how a dim room looks like. Alright, so this all the white balance, the sharpness, the